This is the last video we're recording in 2024. I like to think of it as Idea Decanter's season finale.
The last one? Really? That's hard to believe, but even content creators need to take a break. Am I right?
It's been a hell of a year. I mean, in terms of video marketing.
Yeah, we launched the Real Finfluencers video series. Welcome to Video Fits. Get invested, stay invested. The rest is commentary. That's from, well, I should have asked you before we got going. Is it Nielsen? Harry Baum, co-founder. That's me, your founder. That's off to a great start.
And we taught a whole bunch of advisors how to be better at video marketing. If you can start adding meaningful communication, that's when you start building those relationships on social media.
So you're saying I actually need to get onto the social platforms and interact with other people to get them to interact with me?
Yes, I am. And then there's the webinars and the speaking engagements and all those videos.
So many videos. But it's really the people you don't see much at Idea Decanter that keep the wheels turning. Like our amazing Idea Kit coaches helping advisors level up their on-cam performance.
And the super talented editors who work their MP4 magic. And let's not forget the team that keeps our clients on track.
From shipping your gear to getting your story right and delivering it on time with detailed instructions on how to use it. And even posting and promoting videos for you. This team makes it happen.
And this holiday season, we want to make sure that all the Idea Decanter team shares the limelight.
It's a dream team. Without them, we couldn't say we're 3-time Wealthies finalists, but never a winner.
Without them, we couldn't say that the outtakes are the best part of our videos. We watched the Real Finfluencers videos.
It's hard to say.
That's off to a great start. Oh wait, that's you.
That's off to a great start.
Wait, we can still say that without them.
Yeah, but we'd be laughing alone. From the entire crew here at Idea Decanter, happy holidays.
And we'll see you in 2025.